Let's go.
whip out the back end. So all you're doing half the time is just driving around in a circle with the wheels at full lock, basically. You get what I'm saying? Which it doesn't work. There's no contact pack. It doesn't do that. If you want it to flick like that, you're going to have to rev it up and give it clutch kick. See what I'm saying? And then it'll whip around. But if you're just gentle like that, it's never going to whip. Make sense? So just do that. But otherwise, you got the transition a few times. Do you notice it? When you're higher up in the revs and you're more aggressive and you let off, it transitions?
Once I get one way and I let it go, it'll find itself so I can transition to flick the other way. When I pull the other way, the wheels turn, but the car keeps going.
That's understeer.
Oh.
And that's because it's not flicking hard enough in that thing.
I wasn't flicking at all, I let it do itself.
No. Well, let's say you're coming out of a corner.
So like I pull around that further cone and I'm bop, 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 and then you like let it go and it finishes the turn for you. It flicks the other way, and that's when I pull the wheel and bop, bop, bop to finish the second
turn. You shouldn't even have to pull the wheel because the car should flick by itself automatically to the other side.
Yeah, it does that, and then that's when I get back on throttle.
It's not doing that. What it does is it straightens out. Good luck. You're doing good.
gave up a few times.
I know, but like right here you start driving straight and then you try reinitiating again. Does that make sense? So in between these two,
My initiation is like my clutch kick.
Yeah, I know, but not when it's just understeering.
Use my words. Like, once I pop, get around the corner, it can't go that long. It can't go that far of a distance before the back end swings the other way.
For what?
Like, okay, so pop, turn around the corner.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I, like, get off throttle a little bit to transition.
I know, but see, you...
No. When I do that, as soon as I let off, it just flicks. And I'm not even at the other cone yet.
No, well, I know, because you're not holding the throttle long enough. You still need to be, like, on power for a while.
Okay, I'll try that.
So, yeah, so go, and then basically, in between, rather than trying to drive straight to the other cone, like, so let's say that there's one cone here and one cone here.
Just, like, flick all the way
So,
until and then flick around.
So you're coming around, like, plop, you're drifting, and see, rather than driving, like, straight over here, your thing should be to go, like, 90. Does that make sense? And then let that flick around you.
Okay.
It make sense?
Yeah. I am full lock right now. Why you do this?
Oh yeah.